Ito po nagaganap sa aming room ngayon. Ito po, kitang-kita niyo naman.
Guys,
ayan na.
sit down.
May sinasabi sa kanya. Tama na.
So yesterday, before we go
Secret camera lang po to.
with our next lesson, which is addition, which will be tackled next week, I want you to read it before we watch the movie on Tuesday. I want you to read the story during Saturday and Sunday, so when Monday comes, we will not waste our time reading the story.
How about Polyphemus and Odysseus?
Yeah.
Yung Polyphemus
The encounter between Odysseus
and Polyphemus.
Odysseus and Polyphemus. Who is Polyphemus? Who is Odysseus?
Sa Telemachus.
One idea. Who is Telemachus?
Son of Odysseus. Ang Penelope. Wife of Odysseus.
Pinoy idol.
And name the adventures taken by
Ang dami nun. Ilang years yung naglakbay?
Mission Odyssey.
17 years yata.
Mission Odyssey.
Yung
Did you watch the cartoon mission?
Yes, ma'am.
Pero Odysseus, ma'am, napanood ko na po.
Half of 1 hour. Yeah.
Saya. 58 minutes pa, may 58. Ano po nangyayari sa amin? Dahil meron po kami, kakatapos lang po ng test. Ito po mga nangyayari sa amin. Lagot ako.